What if I told you that in 2026 your credit score could drop by 50 points overnight, even if you haven't missed a single payment, and that this isn't some conspiracy theory, but a documented change rolling out from both FICO and VantageScore that will affect millions of Americans? Welcome back to Credit Unlocked. If you're watching this, you've probably heard whispers about the 2026 credit score changes. Maybe you saw a headline that scared you, or a friend mentioned their score mysteriously dropped. Well, today we're cutting through the noise. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's changing, why it matters, and most importantly, what you need to do right now to protect your financial future. First, let's talk about what's actually happening. In 2026, both FICO and VantageScore are rolling out new scoring models, FICO 10T and VantageScore 4.0. These aren't minor tweaks, they're complete overhauls designed to give lenders a more accurate picture of your creditworthiness. And that means some people's scores will go up, while others, well, they might get a nasty surprise. Let's start with FICO 10T. The T stands for trended data. Right now, your credit score is like a snapshot. It shows your balances at a single moment in time. But FICO 10T looks at 24 months of your credit history. Are you carrying a balance that's growing every month? That's a red flag. Are you consistently paying down debt? That's a green light. This model rewards responsible behavior over time and punishes what they call debt cycling. Now, VantageScore 4.0 takes a different approach. It incorporates rental payment history. Finally, if you've been paying your rent on time for years but don't have a mortgage, this could be a game changer. It also uses machine learning to better assess risk for people with thin credit files. But here's the catch. It's more sensitive to recent behavior. Miss one payment, the impact could be bigger than with current models. So who wins and who loses with these 2026 changes? If you're someone who pays off credit cards in full every month, you're golden. FICO 10T will love you. If you're a renter with perfect payment history, VantageScore 4.0 might give you a significant boost. But if you're carrying persistent credit card debt, even if you make minimum payments, your score could drop. Same if you have a thin credit file with any recent missteps. Here's a real example. Meet Sarah. She has a 700 credit score today. She carries a $5,000 balance on her credit cards, but she always makes minimum payments. Under FICO 10T, her score could drop to 650 because the model sees her debt isn't decreasing. Now meet Alex. He rents an apartment and has only one credit card with a $500 limit. His score is 680. With VantageScore 4.0, his perfect rent history could push him over 700. So what do you need to do now? Step 1. Check your credit reports for errors. You have until 2026 to fix any mistakes before these new models make them more impactful. Step 2. If you're carrying credit card debt, create a payoff plan. Even reducing your balance by a few $100s monthly looks good to FICO 10T. Step 3. If you rent, make sure your payments are reported. Services like Rent Track or reporting through your landlord can help. One more critical point. Not all lenders will adopt these new models immediately. Mortgage lenders might stick with older versions for years, but credit card companies and auto lenders could switch fast. That means your score could vary depending on who's checking it. This isn't a reason to panic, it's a reason to be proactive. Start implementing these steps today, and you'll be ahead of the curve. Before we wrap up, let me hit you with this. According to industry estimates, about 30% of consumers will see a score change of 20 points or more under these new models. That's nearly 1 in 3 people. Will you be ready or will you be caught off guard? All right, I want to hear from you. Which of these 2026 changes worries you most? The trended data in FICO 10T or the rental history in VantageScore 4.0? Drop a comment below and let's discuss. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more credit insights every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.